Today begins our first ever man versus machine series. It consists of 10 days, 10 sessions at $200 per session, a starting bankroll of $2,000. Can slot survivor prevail? Well, stay tuned to find out. Let the battle begin. On what I call the firework game, and accidentally spun the machine one time. So that's why we're down starting with $197. But it's going to be nickel denom bet, 240-cent bet, and let's try to survive. Let the battle begin. Oh, no sound? Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. Okay, of course we need to pop each one of those, the Ulta, the double up, or the extra spins. And we do that by getting fireworks. Let's see how our luck goes. There's a purple. Down to $1.90, $190. There's another purple. Now, come on, firework game. Ooh-wee. Let's do it. Let's see if China comes through for us. Ooh, there's two. Come on. No. Oh my God, set it off now. Oh, I did with the minor. That's a $100 minor on there to start. Oh my goodness.
I present extra spin.
Only extra spin, so we don't get a second screen, but hey, we got $100 to start. It's already 50 times our bet. Take it. Oh my goodness, this is a great start to the man versus machine series. Drop a few more of those. There's 250. Come on, 4 spins remaining. We got extra spins, so I just cannot believe that we already got the minor. This is great. And if you guys didn't notice, look at the grand on this. Over $6,000. It's the highest one in this bank of games. All right, come on, keep them coming. Give me some more big ones. Ooh, it's all $50 there. Oh my goodness, come on, something. Oh, don't peter out on me already. Right here, hit it. Oh, yeah. Still, a very good bonus and a very good start. That survivor coming through on the first 5 spins. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I wonder if it's going to do that again. Maybe this... Oh my God. We just got Ulta spins. Back-to-back bonuses.
Ultra.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is great. Alright, this is where the bird flies across and increases the tiles. Of course, you got to get some tiles first. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Come on, give me something on this. What? Oh, barely. Oh my goodness. Where's the bird? Come on now. Oh, there we go. Where's our bird? Alright. There we go. Now the bird's going to come. Oh my goodness, where is it? That's the whole bonus and haven't even seen it yet. There it is. Alright, increase that tile. Alright, let's keep that bird coming. Ooh, I just saw a $50 tile. Oh, there's the bird. Come on now. Increased one tile. He can increase multiple tiles. Last spin. Wow. I am so surprised that was so quick, but I can't really complain. I got a back-to-back bonus. Oh, this is a great start to our series. $26. Well, I'm inclined to get up. I can't imagine this is going to continue, but maybe it will. Maybe it's just a hot machine I sat on. Come on, keep it going. Wow. Yeah, we're up $100. Oh, do it again. Giving us the green and the purple, but not the double up. Of course, the optimal result is to get all three at once. Go ahead and increase this bet. 10 cents. This is kind of a risky maneuver. But right now, I'm playing with their money. 480 bets. Come on. Make this a good decision. Come on now. Alright. Come on now. Come on, Slot Survivor. Do it right here. Come on. There we go, Firecracker. I'll take a couple line hits, too. Come on, everybody. What do you think? Should I have got up at the $300? It's always hard to get up right when you start. Oh, ooh, ooh. A lot of Chinese men. Come on. Give me all three. Come on now. Some more action. Oh, I thought that was going to do it. Oh, I don't want to get lured in by an early start. No. Okay, come on now. Uh-oh, we're almost down to our starting 200. The objective is after 10 days to be up, not down. Come on. Gotta be smart. Oh, we're under our 200. Now we're gambling with our money. Oh, back up. There's one. It didn't give me all it was going to. Ooh, $11 for those four. I will take that all day long. Come on. No, thank you. Oh boy, I'm starting to get nervous. Oh my God, trigger it. No. Ooh, heavy sigh. Come on now. haven't triggered that red. Alright, nice, $16. Now, those pink tiles are wild, obviously. I'm sure everybody's played this game. Come on, red. Give me that double up feature. I would like at least a 2 popper, but... Come on now. Ooh. Come on, give me all 3. One more. There we go. Come on now. Oh. Oh my God, halfway through. Let's not let this session end. Oh my God, we're below 100. Oh, come on. Slot survivor. No, so I raised that bet. One more. Oh, come on, give me the green too. Okay, here's a shot. No, oh boy. We're in trouble. Oh, I got the ultra spins again. Okay, and we got $10 on the screen. Alright, let's double our money here. Come on now. The last ultra spins was terrible. This time we're going to come through. 3 spins again. Come on, this is dimes. Oh my goodness. I hate dead spins. Oh my God. Where's the bird again? Let's not wait till the end to send the bird through. Come on, right here. Ooh, I saw the minor. Minor's $200 on 10 cents. All right, there we go. Oh, that's a much better start from the bird. I don't even know what kind of a bird that is. All right, here he comes. Come on, big money. Big money here. Ooh, gotta give me more tiles than this. There we go. Give me a big one. Give me some letters. There we go. All right, right here. Give me that major. Better yet, give me the grand. Come on. Ooh. Right here. Oh. 250. No bird. Bird is scarce. There he is. $5. 250. Alright, come on now. Do it again. Big number. There we go. There's the bird. What did you give me? $5. Oh. Bigger money. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh, no bird. Wasted 2 slots. There he is. $5. $5. Come on. Turn this into something miraculous. Right here. Give me some letters right now. Oh my God. 12 positions filled. 3 more and we get that grand. Okay, last spin. Come on. Give me some letters on the last spin. Nope, that's it. Well, it wasn't too bad. Nothing to write home about, though. I don't even think we got our money back. Ooh, it's close. let's bump that bet up. $9.60 for $70 worth. Come on. Make this a good decision. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. A lot of Chinese guys. $30. Come on. Come on. Come on. Trigger. Trigger that red. Oh, I thought it was going to do it. Come on. Where's the firecrackers? There's the red again. Oh, yes. I got double up. All right. This is what we needed. Double up on a $9.60 bet. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Big numbers. Big numbers. $5. Nothing on. Oh, $5. $5. Do something bigger than $5. Come on. These are dimes. $9.60 bet. Why are you giving me so little? Come on now. $10 bet and you're giving me little tiles. Come on. What's up with that? Oh my goodness. You've got to give me something better than half my bet. Come on. Up top. Get it. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got 3 spins on the bottom, 1 spin on top. We need something up top. And look at all those empty spaces. Hit it. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. This is a huge bet, really. Oh my God, that was a terrible spin. Such a big bet. Really, I thought this was going to be the end of this episode. Yeah, that's disappointing. That puts us up to 263. All right, we're gonna go one more spin, backup spin, and we're gonna call it quits and claim victory. $4.90. We're gonna do one $4.80 spin, and we're gonna get up a winner. Alright, there we go. 310. Alright, that's it. Man beat machine, that's first one. I like to start off with a bang. So we started out with $200, episode 1. We're getting up at $253. And I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. We'll see y'all tomorrow for episode 2. Have a great day. Take care.